Yeah, I went this morning. They were, yeah. Yeah. No. No, I think they'll, I reckon it's only a matter of days now. Yeah.
While the pups are still demanding milk, the
Yeah,
mother otter will often keep the whole fish by
Yeah, I
herself.
got that.
But
No, but it's like I say, I think he's going a bit funny. Yeah. Yeah. Because I went over to him, he's sitting over Mum's, you know, and I did feel sorry for him, I must admit. I said, Alan, you ain't got to be on your own. I said, come over. I said, no, he says, I'm alright, you know, but you just can't handle things.
The female takes a trot with sinuous fixed at her body.
Yeah,
And the attending male fertilises the eggs.
well, of course you have, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Millions of new lives.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a long time, isn't it? Yeah.
It's cute.
It's now early July.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what looks like more snow is actually a blizzard of seeds and insects.
That's right.
There is more life in the park now than at
Yeah,
any
it would have.
time of the year.
Oh, it would have helped. Yeah.
It's a turning point for the summer. Through the coming month, the days will get hotter.
Yeah.
The plants will
Yeah.
grow less vigorously,
Yeah.
and the pace of summer will slow.
Well, yeah.